Hello friends, this video on redox reaction part 3 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Before watching this video, please watch the previous videos. So let's take some example. For example, in this case, NaCl. I told that oxidation is what? Let me write here. Oxidation is nothing but loss of electron, and reduction is what? Gain of electron. Correct? Oxidized, loss of electron, reduction, gain of electron. So let's take this example. So in this case, my sodium became what? Sodium plus, because NaCl is nothing but Na plus Cl minus, and chlorine became what? Cl minus. So if you see, this guy gave electron and this guy took one electron. So loss of electron is happening here in this case. So sodium is what? Is getting oxidized, right? This guy is getting oxidized, and chlorine is something which is getting reduced here. So with the new definition where we say oxidation is loss of electron, reduction is gain of electron, we say that sodium is oxidized and chlorine is reduced here. We'll take one example here. Na plus O2 gives Na2O. Here also if you see, sodium became Na plus, because in this case it is plus charge here, and oxygens became minus charge here. So if you see, this guy gave electron, like if you multiply by 2 both sides, this guy gave 2 electron, and this guy will need 2 electron. So this guy gave 2 electron, loss of electron in this case. So sodium is oxidized and oxygen is. Let's take an example, Na plus S. Here also if sodium you see becomes Na plus and sulfur becomes S2 minus. So this has lost electron and this will gain electron, right? So this guy became oxidized and this is reduced. So if you see in this, the old definition is also true. Sodium gained electronegative element, sodium gained electronegative element, sodium gained electronegative element. But in some case the old definition fails. So we will not try to solve questions based on the old definition. We will always try to use this definition of electron transfer. Loss of electron, oxidation, gain of electron, reduction. Correct. So the summary is pretty clear. Oxidation is nothing but the loss of electron of any species. Reduction is nothing but the gain of electron for any species. Oxidizing agent is nothing but the one who oxidized and get reduced. So they are also acceptor of electrons. They are the one who get reduced. And reducing agent are the donor of electron, or they are the one who get oxidized. We'll take some examples. We have to justify that this is a redox reaction. So if you see, this is Na plus H minus. So in this case, if you see, the reaction is Na becomes Na plus and H2 becomes 2 of H minus. Correct? And this gave 2 electron and this needed 2 electron. So here we see this is nothing but loss of electron. So this is the oxidation process and this is a reduction process. Correct? So here sodium got oxidized and it is nothing but oxidant. It is oxidant, and hydrogen got reduced. It is also called reductant. Now we see sodium helped to reduce hydrogen. So sodium is also reducing agent. And hydrogen helped to oxidize sodium. So this is oxidizing agent. See, please don't get confused here. Reducing agent is the one who get oxidized and help other get reduced. So agent is what one? For example, if I say he's a, let's suppose Marketing agent, sales agent. Sales agent is one who sells the thing, right? He won't buy. Sales agent is not the buyer. He is the one who is selling. Similarly, his reducing agent is someone or some element which will reduce. For example, sodium is the one which is reducing hydrogen, which is it's still getting oxidized, but it is reducing hydrogen, so it is a reducing agent. Hydrogen is it's still getting reduced but oxidizing sodium, so it is oxidizing agent. Hope you understand. So typically the oxidants are the reducing agent and the reductants are oxidizing agent. Correct. Thank you. Visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thanks once again.